Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. And today I've received my Allure beauty box. But before we get into that, please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Let's see what we got in our box this month. This is a $23 a month box. I subscribed to it when it was still $15. My subscription will be ending in June, so that'll be my last box. I'm not going to re-up on this box because I just don't think it's worth $23. I mean, we've gotten some really nice things since they upped their game, so to speak, but I'm just not feeling it for the price. It's almost the price of BoxyCharm, and you get so much more with BoxyCharm. We have a little pamphlet here. It's got a beautiful lady on the front, beautiful. And the pamphlet is, ooh, it looks like we got some interesting things in here. And they have lots of little reviews, and we will see about that. And it says there's a lot to unpack. And it's got some suggestions for some of the stuff in here for summer skincare. It's almost time. So that is nice. Then it says shop like a beauty editor. And it seems like they have member deals for subscribers where you can get some fancy makeup things at a discount. And that is at allure.com/exclusives. And then here is some information about one of the products in here. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It has got a lot of stuff. Lots of stuff. The first thing I'm pulling out is the Propolis Light Ampoule with Propolis extract. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. Let's check it out. Propolis Hot Pocket. Might as well be the same thing to me because I don't know anything about it. Wow, let's see. This is $28, and it says, "Have you thanked a bee today?" Oh yeah, propolis is from the bees, and these insects help regulate the natural world in their spare time. Make a skincare. CosRx's Ampoule, a heavy skin serum, more of a skin syrup, contains propolis extract, a resin that bees use to help build hives, and this is harvested without hurting bees. And it is rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, minerals, and vitamins B, C, and E. And it's supposed to be really great. And let's take a look at what the packaging looks like. Oh, it's got a little strip to tear across. I guess you can't fake that you open this one up. I don't know why you want to fake that you open something up, but you're not going to fake it with this one. Ooh, it looks kind of like a honey jar. And that has got some beautiful detailing in the glass. Or is this? Oh, it's a very nice plastic. Let's take a sniff. It doesn't smell like anything. I'm just going to put a little tiny bit on my skin. And I really think that using the propolis and natural things, it's really great, and it feels very light, even though they call it a syrup. And it just added a little sheen to my skin. It doesn't really have much of a smell. I might start checking that out. You know, I like skincare that's not $1 million. You know, you can get some good things from some smaller brands sometimes. Next up, since I have it open to this page, is the tiniest, and it's the fake out packaging. It looks like you're getting a whole lot, but you're not. But I really do love this Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm, and this is actually going to be enough to last you for a while. And this is a K-Beauty brand, and their cooling gel cream is like a refreshing drink for her under eyes, says this editor. And its soothing formula includes tiger grass, popular K-Beauty ingredient, and maybe some magic too, and it helps to calm her redness. And let's see what it looks like. For the little bubble that it is, it looks pretty full. And as far as like this kind of stuff, it really, and this is $48 if you would be getting it. Let me get my calculator out. $48 if you're getting a full size, which we obviously are not. So we had the 28 with the Propolis. I'm going to call this like $3 because they don't ever tell you how much the sample is worth. Speaking of samples, we have this. It's from Josephine, and I believe this is full size. Let me get to the page. I'm so graceful with this. And this is Lip Power from Josephine Cosmetics in Tiphaine, T-I-P-H-A-I-N-E, Tiphaine, I can't figure it out. But this says Glamorously Healthy. And it says, after more than a year of wearing face mask, I miss lipstick. I've started wearing as much of it as possible at home. And I wear lipstick under my mask because I use this stuff that's like super long lasting. This packaging is gorgeous. And this blue base red, which I was just talking to my friend Joe, about how blue base red is really a great color for me. And this got a precise tip. It's great for defining her lip line. It dries down quickly, and it does transfer a bit onto her coffee mug, but it stays bold on her lips for hours. So by the time she washes her face, it's barely faded. And this is $30. Let's just take a look. See, I like something that's a lot. With long wear, that's a really beautiful color. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't think I'm going to keep it because it does transfer some, and I just don't want a bunch of lip stain inside my mask. But this is beautiful, and it will definitely be going in a giveaway. And it's really nice looking. Then we have from Wander Skincare, the Sightseer. Oh, very cute, very cute. Sightseer Vitamin C Concentrate. And it is $42 for a full size. I think this is full size because it is 30 mLs, which is half an ounce. So this is $42 because you're supposed to get some full size items in here. This would be the third full size item, which is what they promise. And this model, actor, singer, oh, this chick is all kinds of things. And if she had an Instagram bio, it would read something like brightener, hydrator, wrinkle reducer, and skin protector. See, we weren't kidding. My skin drinks up this formula, which is fortified with vitamin C and niacinamide, which is fantastic for your skin. And it helps plump fine lines, squalene to strengthen the skin barrier, hyaluronic acid for lasting hydration. This sounds great. I might give it a go. I usually am not a big Wander person just because we get so much Wander stuff in boxes, but cool. Then we have, this is Augustine Bader, the Rich Cream, and this is obviously a trial size. Let me find. Oh, this is the Rich Cream, and normally this is $265 for an ounce. So this is super fancy. Let's take a look. And this is, it's got a little booklet. And it is a very tiny tube, but for $265, this is probably like at least $25. I'm going to say $25 worth of product. I know I make up my own prices because they don't give me the sample size. And it says, it's the Heathers of the beauty world, an instant cult hit. So I put my serums in the drawer and tried this. Get ready for a long list. Smoothing, brightening, hydrating, soothing cream. Contains amino acids, vitamins, squalene, and hyaluronic acid. And this formula is so dense it goes a long way. One pump in the morning, another each evening has made her skin gleam without a white cast, which is very nice. And let's see what's so fancy about it. What's so fancy? I'm gonna put a little piece, barely a pea size. And let's see. You can't really tell a whole lot with, but it seems very nice. And my skin is glowing from it. It's got a very clean scent to it, kind of like spa-like, but not a heavy spa scent. I need to put some on my other hand so it gets the beauty treatment as well, because the back of your hands and your neck show your age right away. So it's important to try to take care of that. And so I try to put beauty creams on the back of both of my hands so they will both look young, but this hand looks much older than this hand. I've showed you guys that before, but this hand's not gotten as much skincare because I'm right-handed. Beautiful. That's really nice to try something so expensive. I wish it'd come in the box full price though. That would have been full size though. That would have been amazing. And then we've got a little Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Face Mask, and it's, face liquid sunscreen. This is great. This is perfect for travel size. And let's get to it. And this looks like it's just a bonus because it's on the ad in the back. But this is great for your purse, so that's cool. Since it's a bonus, I'm not gonna say anything else about it. And the last thing in the box is the Propolis Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Sheet Mask, and it's $28 for a pack of 6. So 6 goes into 28. Let's call it $4. So that brings our box to $172. And if you don't know how great Propolis is, let me tell you, this is got the caffeine in it from the matcha green tea, so that's a very good stimulant for your skin. And it takes 15 minutes to get this mask to get all the good stuff. And so she takes the extra serum and pats it on the rest of her skin, which many of us do already, because we're special. But anyway, so let's go over the box. This isn't bad for $23. It really isn't. But I'm just not going to be keeping it past next month because I could be getting a whole nother like decent sized box for that money. So the skin mask, the fancy serum, the nice Propolis Ampoule, the Wander Beauty, which sounds really good. And then we've got the full-size Josephine lip color, which I think will be great for a giveaway. We've got the little bonus size of the Cetaphil Skin Sunscreen. And $172 value, not bad for a $23 box. And even better when I got it for $15 because I subscribed before and got grandfathered in before they changed the prices. But I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing. I hope you have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.